Hi friends, welcome back again to my channel. In today's video I'm making OFADA sauce, also known as AYAMASE. The list of ingredients is going to be in the description box, so you guys should please check it out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, share my video, leave a comment down for me, and let's get right into the video.
I got blood on my hands right now, and I'm stumbling through the dark in the dawn. I have found new ways, but no, I can't be the one that you need.
So the first thing I did was to boil my meat. I boiled it in a pressure cooker. This is me just adding my diced onions, my salt, my beef seasoning, garlic and ginger paste. Then the next thing I did was to go ahead to bleach my palm oil. I made this video 3 years ago, by the way, so I think I'll make an updated version of this AYAMASE sauce, because now we learn every time. Now I have a more detailed and better video on how to make it, so I'll post that sometime soon. Anyways, so I bleached my palm oil and decided to fry my meat in it. I diced it into smaller pieces and I fried it in the bleached palm oil. Next thing, I added my onions, my diced onions. I added my that's locust beans, allowed that to fry for a little while. Then I added the pepper you saw at the beginning. I blended that with my food processor so it wasn't smooth at all, so I put it in there, allowed it to fry for like I allowed it to fry for 25 to 30 minutes, which I shouldn't have done. You're not supposed to fry your OFADA sauce too much. So in the updated video I'll show you guys the proper way to do it. So I fried it for 25 to 30 minutes. I added my blended crayfish, my seasonings, and I added the pomo and the assorted meat you saw me boiling and frying earlier. Then I allowed it to fry for about 5 minutes. Added my boiled egg that I boiled off camera. Added it to it, allowed it to simmer for a few minutes, and yeah, the OFADA sauce was ready. So I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please let me know in the description box. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in another one. Bye.
take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love.